Hey there. Are you someone who is looking for some lucrative passive income or who is tired from his 9-to-5 job? Welcome to our latest report on how to earn through dropshipping. My name is Deepanch and you are watching our channel Keep Hustling D. Let's get started. Dropshipping is a popular business model that has gained immense popularity in recent years. It allows entrepreneurs to sell products online without holding inventory or owning a warehouse. Instead, they act as middlemen and forward orders to a supplier who then ships the products directly to the customer. Today, we'll be discussing the ins and outs of dropshipping and how you can earn through it. Part 1. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where an entrepreneur sets up an online store and adds products to it from a supplier. When a customer places an order on the online store, the entrepreneur forwards the order to the supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. The entrepreneur makes a profit by charging more than the price they pay the supplier. The main advantage of dropshipping is that the entrepreneur doesn't need to invest in inventory or a physical store. This reduces the startup costs and allows them to start the business with minimal investment. However, it's important to note that the profit margins in dropshipping are usually lower than in traditional retail businesses. So it's essential to find a niche and products with high demand and low competition to ensure profitability. Part 2. Finding the right niche and products. To start a dropshipping business, the first step is to find the right niche and products. A niche is a specific segment of the market that has a specific demand. It's important to identify a niche that you're passionate about and that has potential for profitability. To find the right niche, you need to conduct market research and analyze trends and consumer behavior. Once you've identified your niche, you need to find a reliable supplier who can provide quality products at a competitive price. There are many online marketplaces like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu that allow you to connect with suppliers from all over the world. When selecting a supplier, you need to consider factors like the quality of the products, the shipping time, and the customer service. Part 3. Building your online store. Once you've identified your niche and products, the next step is to build your online store. There are many e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento that provide ready-to-use templates and tools to help you build your store. It's important to customize your store to make it unique and appealing to your customers. You need to choose a domain name that's easy to remember and relevant to your niche. Your store should be user-friendly, have clear product descriptions, and be easy to navigate. It's also important to ensure that your store is mobile-friendly, as many customers use their smartphones to shop online. Part 4. Marketing your store. Marketing is a crucial aspect of any business, and dropshipping is no exception. You need to promote your store to reach your target audience and generate sales. There are many marketing strategies that you can use, such as social media marketing, email marketing, influencer marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. Social media marketing involves using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your store and products. You can create engaging content, run ads, and collaborate with influencers to reach your target audience. Email marketing involves sending promotional emails to your subscribers to keep them updated about your store and products. Influencer marketing involves collaborating with social media influencers to promote your products to their followers. Search engine optimization, SEO, involves optimizing your website to rank higher on search engines like Google. You can use keywords, meta descriptions, and backlinks to improve your website's visibility. Part 5. Managing your orders and customers. Once you start receiving orders, you need to manage them efficiently. You need to forward the order to the supplier, track the shipment, and ensure that the product reaches the customer on time. It's important to communicate with the supplier and the customer to avoid any delays or misunderstandings. You also need to handle customer queries, complaints, and returns. It's important to provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. You can use tools like chatbots, email automation, and customer relationship management, CRM, software to manage your customers and provide a seamless experience. Part 6. Scaling your business. Once your business starts to grow, you need to scale it to maximize your profits. You can do this by adding more products to your store, expanding to new markets, or investing in marketing strategies. You can also consider automating some of your processes, like order management and customer support, to save time and improve efficiency. It's important to keep track of your finances and monitor your expenses and revenue. You can use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero to manage your finances and generate reports. This will help you make informed decisions and optimize your operations. Part 7. Avoiding common mistakes. There are some common mistakes that entrepreneurs make when starting a dropshipping business. One of the biggest mistakes is selecting the wrong niche or products. It's essential to conduct thorough market research and identify a niche with high demand and low competition. Another common mistake is not investing enough in marketing. You need to promote your store and products to reach your target audience and generate sales. You also need to provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Finally, it's important to be aware of the legal and tax implications of running a business. You need to register your business, obtain the necessary licenses and permits, and comply with tax regulations. It's a good idea to consult a lawyer or an accountant to ensure that you're following the legal requirements. Now let's discuss some tips in dropshipping. Focus on your niche. It's important to focus on your niche and become an expert in that area. By specializing in a specific niche, you can differentiate yourself from competitors and provide a unique value proposition to your customers. This will help you attract a loyal customer base and generate more sales. Offer unique products. To stand out from the competition, you need to offer unique products that can't be found elsewhere. You can do this by sourcing products from different suppliers or creating your own products. By offering unique products, you can attract more customers and build a strong brand identity. Build a strong brand identity. A strong brand identity is essential in dropshipping. You need to create a brand that reflects your values, personality, and target audience. This includes creating a logo, tagline, and brand message that resonate with your customers. You should also use consistent branding across all your marketing channels to reinforce your brand identity. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial in dropshipping. You need to respond to customer queries, complaints, and returns promptly and professionally. By providing excellent customer service, you can build a loyal customer base and generate more positive reviews and referrals. Optimize your website. Your website is the face of your business, and it's important to optimize it for maximum impact. This includes ensuring that your website is user-friendly, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. You should also optimize your website for search engines by using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt tags. Use social media marketing. Social media marketing is a powerful tool for promoting your dropshipping business. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach your target audience and generate more traffic and sales. By creating engaging content and using targeted advertising, you can build brand awareness and attract more customers. Leverage influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a popular strategy in dropshipping. You can partner with influencers who have a large following in your niche and ask them to promote your products to their audience. This can help you reach a wider audience and generate more sales. Automate your processes. Automating your processes can save you time and improve efficiency. This includes automating your order management, customer service, and marketing. By using tools like chatbots, email automation, and CRM software, you can streamline your operations and focus on growing your business. Test and optimize. It's important to test and optimize your marketing strategies to see what works best for your business. This includes testing different product descriptions, pricing strategies, and marketing channels. By analyzing your data and making data-driven decisions, you can optimize your operations and generate more sales. Stay up to date with trends. Dropshipping is a dynamic industry, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and innovations. This includes following industry blogs, attending conferences, and networking with other dropshipping entrepreneurs. By staying informed and adapting to changes, you can stay ahead of the competition and grow your business. In summary, dropshipping can be a profitable and rewarding business if you follow these tips and best practices. By focusing on your niche, providing excellent customer service, and optimizing your website and marketing strategies, you can build a successful dropshipping business and achieve your goals. Dropshipping can be a lucrative and rewarding business if done correctly. It's important to find the right niche and products. Build a user-friendly online store, invest in marketing, and provide excellent customer service. By avoiding common mistakes and scaling your business, you can maximize your profits and achieve success.